It is close to 19 months since Covid-19 reared its ugly head in Uganda and has so far killed over 3,000 out of the 125,000 infected persons. This prompted government to come up with the interventions as support to those affected, especially special interest groups. Even though many benefited, some are still complaining, including widows, youth and the elderly.
Yes, Oloya.
Yes.
This is the Prime Minister of Uganda.
Oh, you're welcome, Honorable Prime Minister.
Have you received the money?
I have received, madam.
Oh, congratulations.
She did not get, and such things are not there in Marasa.
Nothing. We are here. They are looking at us as dogs.
So we have submitted our report to the district task force to support the orphans and the widows and the widowers within this period of the COVID-19. But unfortunately, yet, we have not given anything to these people.
The inception of COVID-19 came with the increasing levels of unemployment, most to the youth and disabled persons, since some were told to resign from workplaces forcefully.
In these small opportunities that we used to have, at least we would always try to say I would provide. But now, with the COVID case, most of the organizations that we work for, the private entities have closed, others have ceased off. Others have decided to reduce the numbers of workers, and some of us got affected in that kind of case.
The Equal Opportunities Commission is a constitutional body established by the Equal Opportunities Commission Act 2007 in accordance with Article 32 and other provisions of the Constitution.
Generally, we have lost lives. The government, especially the Ministry of Health, has been under pressure to provide health services which maybe we had not prepared for. Young girls have become pregnant. You see the reports every now and then.
Chairperson Equal Opportunities Commission Hajet Sophie Narule Juko says the special interest groups have been grossly affected by the pandemic. Narule advises the special interest groups to use the COVID-19 pandemic as a learning ground and avoid being desperate.
His Excellency the President reminded us about the kind of skills our great-grandfathers used to undertake, like farming, rearing animals, carpentry, basically artisanal work. So I would like to request DIT to actually make sure that as many Ugandans as possible get these skills.
In the same vein, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development, Agre Chibenge, points out interventions that government has put in place to cater for the needs of special interest groups.
Under the parish development model, for example, the money that is going to be made available to support socio-economic development, to support inclusive participation at parish level, 30% has been ring-fenced for women. Another 30% is ring-fenced for youth. Then you have 10% ring-fenced for people with disabilities, for the elderly, out of all the monies.
Story compiled by Tone Sennabulia for UBC News.